FireDisc, the portable propane cooker. FireDisc was built to haul and cooks it all. It sets up in seconds, fires up fast, and can cook plenty of food. It's like a grill without grates or a wok with walls. FireDisc seasons like a cast iron skillet and cleans up fast with just water. You won't go anywhere without your FireDisc. FireDisc, built to haul, cooks it all.
So guys, not only is the FireDisc a steamer, a sauteer, and a great griller, but it's also a fryer. So I've got some grouper here that I'm gonna run through an egg white dip. And we're gonna simply, everything for me is about the cleanup. Make it easy. Progressive Italian breadcrumbs, a little complete seasoning. And we're gonna drop those fingers in there. So the egg wash, get at your store, and shake it up, and right into the fryer. I've been preheating the oil for probably about 10 minutes, which works perfectly. You actually want to leave a little of the oil residue in there, so for the next time, you know, it seasons, what we call seasons the pan. It keeps the pan from getting any rust or anything like that on it. It's certainly the way to treat it like an old iron skillet. Take a second, flip them over. Working well, everything's going good here. I like it. I wasn't paying attention. I let that one get a little overdone. My bad. But guess what? If that doesn't show you how hot the grease gets, nothing will. So to top this off, we got our fried fish. I like some fresh cut mangoes to go on top of the fish. To go with it, I like sliced tomato with some mozzarella, as well as a little garlic salt and some glaze. Oh my God. I mean, are you kidding me? Oh, we just can't get any better.